What's up guys, Manny from Motomillion. It's time to break stuff. Well, we're going to be breaking our Panigale V4, but we're not breaking stuff, well hopefully not along the way. And I'm holding these beautiful GP4 MS calipers, guys. These may look familiar to you. These are the same calipers that are installed on the Tricolore and the Tricolore Italia bikes. They're paired with actually oversized rotors that we don't have on this bike. But if you want to upgrade further your braking system on your Panigale V4, you could install that. I think we may do that further down the road. But today, we're installing this, and we're installing this at the back, front calipers, rear calipers. Let's talk about the front calipers real quickly. These are the new GP4 MS calipers that have these cooling fins on them. What's really impressive about these things, not the $3,000 price tag, but this caliper over here weighs exactly the same as a MotoGP caliper. It has the same stiffness as a MotoGP caliper, but also it has the same cooling capability as a MotoGP caliper. It says that a lot. This is a road caliper, meaning that will be safe to install it on this bike that gets ridden on the road almost 100% of its lifetime. So enough talking, more working. Let's get this on. We'll talk more about the calipers and the parts that we're installing later on the video. All right, our calipers are on and we opted in for the silver Pro-Tie titanium bolts in the front. And as I mentioned earlier, these calipers are the same exact calipers that come on the Tricolore and the Tricolore Italia, but they have the larger oversized rotors that are called the T-Drive Pros now. If you want to run the T-Drive Pros, that will be a next upgrade that we will be doing on this motorcycle in a future episode. But how you would do that is that you run the GP4 MS caliper and you double up on your caliper spacer so the spacing is correctly set for that larger rotor, but that's how it is. Right now our system is already bled as well, so we're ready to move on to the back. This being a 2025 Panigale V4, the rear reservoir is integrated into the rear master cylinder, meaning we have a few extra steps like removing that exhaust heat shield out of the way. But let me get to the rear, let's put that caliper on, and then we can see how those matching front shiny calipers look with that matching shiny rear caliper we're about to put on. Just like that, our rear caliper's on, everything is routed, and our rear brakes are bled. I want to give you guys a quick tip. Anytime you mess around with your rear sets or your rear brakes, make sure that your rear wheel is spinning freely, that there's no brake drag. And just go ahead and apply the brakes a couple times like this. It's working fine. And go ahead and spin it again. And as you see, it's got no drag whatsoever. And I want to mention that this 2025 Panigale V4 is surprisingly free rolling at the rear wheel. But why don't you want any brake drag, right? Well, it's obvious, because you're going to cook your brakes, you're going to overheat your brake fluid. But beyond that, if you're running wheels that are carbon fiber or composite wheels, let's say, extreme heat is the enemy of these wheels. You want to make sure that you're safe, especially you don't get to see your rear brakes or feel your rear brakes that often, so that if there's anything going on back here, you want to make sure that it's the least likely things to happen, because you're not going to see it when you're riding it, or you're not going to feel it as much. Speaking of extreme heat, let me show you something in the front of the bike now that we have matching calipers in the front to the rear caliper that we have over here. From time to time, we get questions from you guys who purchase your calipers from us saying, what are these stickers that is included in the calipers? And they come with the GP4 MS and the GP4 RX calipers. Well, taking a look at it, it looks like a thermometer, and that's what they are. They're thermometer stickers, and you stick it inside your calipers to see how hot your calipers get. That helps you with a few things, but I think the main thing that it helps you with is to select the correct pads, because you could take a look at the heat range of the pads and the heat that your calipers or your braking system reaches to, so you know the correct pads to choose. But as you know, we don't mainly ride this thing on the track. We're mainly street riders, and of course, I want to tell you guys how the brakes feel, because we didn't just do this for the beautiful nickel-plated look that these calipers have. But before I could do that, we have one more episode left that we could touch up all the details, big and small, of this beautiful 2025 Panigale V4, so that we could call the phase 1 of this build done. And I want to hear your thoughts, guys. Put in the comments below, have you liked what you've seen so far? This bike is far from stock. Did we leave anything out? What do you want to see in terms of the details that we do for this motorcycle? But until then, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Until next time, guys, have a good one.